Welcome to this session of second part of Steel Connection on the Steel Flow System. In this session, we will examine further intricate connection details essential for constructing robust steel flow systems. This topic is part of the Building Construction 3 course. The course and its illustrations are designed to enable architectural students and architects to understand the forms and sizes associated with steel structures and to apply this knowledge in designing such components in their projects. In this section, we will understand the intricate details of the end plate, flange plate, and outer bolt base plate connection. The end plate connection is used to join beams to columns, providing a strong and rigid connection point. Flange plate connections are used to connect beam flanges to column flanges, while connections for outer bolt bases are essential for securing columns to foundations and distributing loads effectively. An end plate steel connection is a type of beam to column connection that uses two steel plates, one on each side of the beam, to connect the beam to the column. The plates are welded to the beam and then bolted to the column. The end plates match the size of the beam, and the bolts are typically high-strength bolts. This type of connection is relatively simple to fabricate and erect, and it is strong enough to support most types of buildings. Steel connection end plates, which are used in beam-to-column assemblies, provide various advantages and serve several significant purposes, such as ease of fabrication and installation, flexibility, and design variations. These benefits, especially when combined with stiffeners, enhance the performance of the connections in modular construction applications, seismic performance, and thermal resistance. It also provides excellent fire resistance and can be easily inspected and maintained. End plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths between 4.1 inches and 12.2 inches, heights between 7.5 inches to 21.1 inches, and plate thicknesses of 0.35 inches to 0.87 inches, or between 9 to 22 millimeters. These connections can be customized to meet specific load requirements and architectural designs, offering engineers and architects greater flexibility in their projects. End plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths between 4.1 inches and 12.2 inches, heights between 7.5 inches to 21.1 inches, and plate thicknesses of 0.35 inches to 0.87 inches, or between 9 to 22 millimeters. These connections can be customized to meet specific load requirements and architectural designs, offering engineers and architects greater flexibility in their projects. Steel connection plates and flanges play a crucial role in the structural integrity and performance of steel flow systems. These components are integral to steel moment-resisting connections, which are designed to withstand various loads and stresses, particularly during seismic activities. The strategic design of steel connection plates and flanges significantly impact the engineering and practicality of steel flow systems, enhanced load-bearing capacities, improved seismic performance, and structural resilience. Flange plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths between 3.7 inches to 12.25, depths of 3.35 inch to 10.5 inch, and plate thicknesses of 0.35 inch to 0.87 inch. The versatility in dimensions and sizes of flange plate steel connections allows for their application in various structural designs and load requirements. These connections can be customized to suit specific project needs, ensuring optimal performance. A base plate steel connection with outer bolts is a type of connection that uses bolts located on the perimeter of the column to transfer forces from the column to the foundation. The base plate is a thick steel plate that is welded to the bottom of the column. The base plate is then bolted to the foundation using a series of anchor bolts. The anchor bolts are typically located on the perimeter of the base plate, outside of the column. This type of connection is commonly used in high-rise buildings and other structures where high loads need to be transferred from the columns to the foundation. The base plate steel connection with outer bolts offers several advantages in structural engineering. It provides excellent stability and load-bearing capacity, making it suitable for structures subjected to significant vertical and lateral forces. This connection type allows for easier inspection and maintenance of the anchor bolts. Outer bolt base plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths and depths between 7.56 inches and 30.16 inches and typical plate thicknesses between 0.47 inch to 1.18 inch. The placement of anchor bolts on the perimeter enhances the connection's resistance to overturning moments and provides better leverage for resisting lateral forces. This configuration also allows for larger bolt diameters to be used, further increasing the connection strength and load-bearing capacity. Furthermore, we will deal with the base plate, inner, base plate stiffener, and plate gusset as steel connectors in detail in the next video. Architectural students can select and customize the steel connection while designing the steel flow system. Architecture students are suggested to practice by preparing sheets by designing the flow and selecting and customizing the connection details. Students can develop a more profound understanding of how these elements work together to create robust and efficient steel structures.